Yeah.
They're all lining up to fight me right now. Oh my gosh, Zoe, is that Huntrix?
May gani kay simentado na din diri dapit oh.
Eh, gini apo ba diri sa
Oo. Kabatuhan.
Grabe, si Aling Pilsat rin, dahil na sa Tungkol.
We got him! Wait, Zoe, did you see that? Zoe got me at the very end.
Yeah, I tell you, kill it if it's you.
Let's go! Oh, Zoe, we got the medal.
Okay ra jud ko magpuyog ingon aning lugar basta kompleto ra.
That was so close.
Pero mo man ni sige balahaon no? Pag may bagyo.
Ito rin sa ilang kuwan.
Why are they all after you?
I don't know, Zoe.
Kasi mula bang naupuan ba?
So we got Abby. We gotta watch out for
Suba. Ito ra dito. Pero diri kay okay naman diri.
Ikaw tong last na ulan ato yung part diri sa Valencia nga
Ako
gibaha.
ito sinungan.
Dito na to sa kuwan ti malauna kay naman kay mga falls sa kuwan dalan.
So ni awas.
Oh. Kusog mo pirang tubig.
Kana may PNOC pa. O si Liman.
It looks like they're about to
Siliman Heights.
Mahan pa na school.
Balay na diha.
Oh, bro mo balaw dati Siliman Heights ito sa.
Lagi kami dala na.
Amazing.
Nice ra ko diri basta nara ko kay transportation kay liyo
Oh.
kaya.
Dayon ang maggrocery na juga good for 1 week ana. Pa di wala kay lakaw-lakawon. Nya gatrabaho ra.
Kurinti diri kay
Oh.
bugnaw pod.
Nya sa balay na kagatrabaho, work from home ra ka. Goods na kayo.
Valencia mami.
O naras lang minimum dagway gel ang isa ba?
Dati.
Ang kuryente nila og tubig.
Oo.
Libre kay Valencia man.
Pero like di na kinahanglan mag-aircon makibugnaw naman diri.
Oo.
Goods ng mga electric fan.
Goods na kayo.
Mahal sa iyo.
Hey, what's going on with that guy? Snowy?
Muna ganang titata nga lugar po niya. Sa una barato pang maningiyuta diri karon kay ni mahal na baya. Mahal ng Valencia.
Okay, no.
Mataan ko.
Develop sa biya siya hinahinay.
Oh, mataan kay. Dagan may mupuyo sa muta mga foreigner.
Alright, Zoe, I'm gonna go extra fast on this
Nay,
one.
dagong mga lilit balay diri. Sama ta sa babaw pag yun.
Look, Zoe,
Kana gani sa Tierra Alta o baglang ang mga balay o halago.
get to these levels.
Yeah, they think they're kind of.
Bali lang mahalag yun
Let's
eh.
try to wake him up. Oh no, he's wearing the medal. He's wearing the medal. So we can't slice him. We can slice the platform that
Yan na na swimming pool dira sa Tierra Alta na ako na upang balay diya kanay ikaw galing yung swimming pool po.
Sila balay.
Oh.
Let's wake him up. Let's wake him up.
Na may ga for rent og 35,000 na itong bulan. Kung gisan na.
Diri ang mubaha te, lapas ang kuan.
Let's see what happens if I wake up.
Tubig ba mo dako yun.
Hey, buddy,
What's
wake
it
up.
monkey? Para mga bata.
Oh.
Monkey! Look at the monkey!
Oh, there's a
Boys are
monkey.
sleeping and one of them's got a shield. Maybe I can take out the guy.
There's no monkey. Unya pa ng hapon pa.
Ah, oh!
Ay, there! The monkey! There! The monkey is there! Uy, pa, dapig na yung pagmaayog yun.
Look, see a monkey.
And they're eating banana! Ay,
Oh,
they're...
bigis niya.
Yay! Ayun. Mami mo lang. It's okay. There!
Napapikas oh, napapikas oh.
Ano mo diri biyo, look.
The monkey is sitting down. Look at the monkey is sitting down, anak. There. There. The monkey sit down. The picture.
Kita ka, Tio?
Mga anak.
Ah, monkey. Tio, wala sa kita.
Open sa bintana. You took a lot of pictures already.
Tio, Tio.
Mga anak mo ro.
Wow.
Mga anak ni. Dakig lagay oh.
Gabi tayo.
Kasi, monkey.
Monkey. Dako dakig lagay ang monkey dai.
Gabi tayo.
Babay na monkey.
Kami na monkey next na pod pag uli.
Bye monkey.
Na may makasagig mo nang nanggawa sa mga kuan. Galing ko dagit siya ka-cute.
Para katong gulang ba nga galing ko.
Gani. Wala na to. Wala taon sila yung love. Tidagad ba? Daghana dagway na nila squat kakakuya no?
Ah, makaliw mo guys si Addison Gabite kay natulog naman si Bryce iyang gidol ano siya. Monkey Bryce.
Hoy! Buang-buang.
Take that guy out. Come on.
Amir.
Oh, here he comes.
Monkey Bryce is sleeping man
The satisfying game we've ever played. So we whoa, there's a ton of them. Oh gosh.
Basi makagitag tindahan pa kay pikong pati suksuka.
They look so funny.
Oh no, they're They're charging up their lasers. They're gonna fire their lasers at me, Zoe. We gotta take them down. Oh, it's charging up. Oh, that was so close.
That went right by your head.
And look, Zoe, there's still one of those ostriches up there, but that's okay. We took him out. Wait, what's going on here? Oh no, Zoe, he's about to poop on ice.
Ew, don't let it happen. Cook the sausage.
No, no, no. I'm gonna fire it.
Camp Kuan.
Don't do it. Don't do
Camp
it.
Bukad.
Yes. Wait, he's still alive. We can
Wala
take
ba
this off the platform.
Wala.
Take that, cheesy boy.
Reservation ang gudpod sila mo nang dali kay sila
Wala
mapuli
niya
ko.
po. Tadi akan pag space ka angat pa.
Maybe they're summoning ninjas.
Dali kay mo kuan.
That's for sure from
Gate.
us.
Tawagan, gate. Chatan
What is
mo.
happening here? Okay, we're good.
Is that was it in ice or
There's a lot.
something? Oh, slice the ice, and then we can put in some soda.
Yeah, let's do
Wow,
it. We got
that's
chocolate
heaven.
ice and I can't tell
Ay,
the
nasi-
Hi guys.
I guess I nailed
Are you
it.
taking video or
Oh, no,
pictures?
Hold on, everybody.
Video.
And then you upload that to your YouTube channel.
Oh, that's so
Okay.
bad.
Say, we're going to Red Rocks Hot Spring.
Okay, it's working. It's working. I'm slicing up the ice. I'm slicing up the ice. All right, we're good, Sally. But where's the guy that's on the other side of it? I know someone is still alive. Oh, we got him.
Yay, sliced ice.
Oh, Zoe, look at this next one. They're all firing their laser balls at me.
Get him, get him, get him.
I have to throw as many shooting stars as I can. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Wagi
oh my
matag-aso-
God,
aso ron mag-video na
right
police.
now. That was crazy.
There were so many slices at the end.
Oh my gosh, you see that? So he caught it. He caught my star.
But now it's stuck on his head.
Yeah, so he's gonna try to slice me with it. We can't get sliced. I don't want to end up like that. Oh gosh, oh gosh. He got me with a ninja move.
That's crazy, Tyler. These ones are stringy and squishy.
Yeah, so they call these guys the string cheese. We gotta get him, we gotta get him, we gotta get him. Come on. Is he still alive? What'd you all get at? What'd you all get at?
Did you just call me string cheese?
No, I called you Day.
That didn't even make sense.
Oh yeah? Well, how about this makes sense? Oh, so there's three of them coming at me right now. I gotta go as fast as I can. I gotta throw as fast as I can. Whoa! We destroyed the entire platform.
Everything fell down.
It looks like there's nobody on this next level. Wait a second. What is that? Zoe, they're charging ice.
It's coming right towards you. Get
Wala
him,
nang
get
tindahan.
him.
Oh no, I gotta aim for the legs. They're still coming at me. They're using all of their power that they have to come at me.
They were officially sliced and diced. What's going on here?
I don't know, so it looks like they're running away from me. Wait, what are they doing right now? They're acting so weird. I don't know, Zoe, and I don't like it.
I think they got confused.
Definitely Zoe. Yeah, Zoe ran the wrong way, and the other guy had tell them where to go. Hey, look, they're crossing the bridge. Let's slice the bridge. Uh-oh, it's all working. Oh no, it's all working, Zoe. It's all working. Oh no.
They're shooting fireballs too.
Let's fire. Let's fire. I'm going full auto right now.
This one is intense.
But we did it anyway, Zoe. Hey, look, there's nobody on this one. Oh no, there's tons of metal guys. There's tons of metal guys. I was able to take down the bridge.
I love the bridge ones because you can get a bunch of them down. Oh no, this ostrich.
Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. No, he bumped me right off the map. We gotta take him out, Zoe. We gotta take him out. I'm throwing as much as I can. Come on, come on. Oh no, there's another one, another hatch, and another.
Stay up there.
I don't know, Zoe. They keep hatching. They're multiplying. Oh, Zoe, look, they're stampeding at us. I think 3 more just hatched.
Where are they coming from?
It's a Great Bird War! Birds versus Ninja Stars! Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh! Whoa, that was so close!
Whoa, for a second I thought birds were gonna win.
Wait, what's this, Zoe? It says new weapon!
Ooh, let's try it out.
Is that an axe? Let's throw an axe! Whoa, that's way more powerful than the Ninja Stars! I have axes now, Snowy! And I need to ask these guys a question!
Are you ready to get axed?
I think they are! Oh no, he's back up, he's back up! Oh!
Axes are so fun.
Yeah, the axes are super powerful! This is awesome!
Nobody stands a chance.
No way, Zoe. I am the axe throwing pro. Look at this. This is crazy.
How is it still alive? Oh, not anymore.
And one of my axes was following him. That was awesome. Well, guys, I'm going to be playing with my new axe toys all night long. While I'm doing that, you should look at one of our videos that's on your screen right now.
Tambay
I
din.
like the video. If you haven't already, bye.
first time ako nakani diri Jel ba nakita ko mingunuan niya. Nagpuyo ko kag syudad ba so ka kitag na yung ginuan ding mga bukid-bukid nga.
Na-amaze ba?
Na-amaze ko ay gulo ko na. Sige nang mga green gyud pa nga. Ay syudaha.
Green good.
Samo-
Ginagalap na nilagtaman diri.
Sa mo to nakaato ko atong Tumalog Falls, ay Chadaha to sa Cebu. Bin Chadahas Tumalog Falls oy.
Gabi dito.
Look at
Ito nga pre-bikin mo.
look at the smoke. See. Be careful.
Wala nilagtaman na diri.
It's smoking.
Look at Deo. Gamay ra ko.
Tourist spot.
See, it's smoking.
Sa batang tindahan.
Diri.
Wala na ra bay tindahan paglikop yun mo diya. Kana, te?
Ay,
Paliko palit og kuan suka pati sa sachet te kana ti og. Dati.
wala sa coconut tree. Coconut tree is a journey.
Palangga kay nako.
It's smoking.
Palangga ni mama. Di ko yung Deo?
Yeah.
Pati suksuka.
Oh. Basag tayo sili po te.
Abay ate.
Where's Antidote going?
Buy something.
Ate, buy cardio, buy something.
Likan bitaw ko nunyag sa plagon.
Good job.
Kaya magpabuli ka ning usang manghod ay mag
Idiote.
gitulod man siya ba? Yang gibalikan, yang gisaplag.
Good job, Dea.
Dili ako makuyawan ano niyang bulihon kay musukol man. Kani, pero musukol man po ni.
Laman. Uy.
Di ako igisong abing pagkatan siya ba? As abitog dili ra te, dili ra ko. Buyag, ako po nang black nimo.
Gati ra.
Ikaw na nagpaadog balik ah.
Boyag.
Ay, magsugod na punta.
Kakalian.
Meron good gift. Tingko na diri.
Baling kay atong dagko atong bato.
Ayo.
Nya slide ba na kuan pa.
Ingani o. Masaka. Kilo dalas Kelsey.
Ako siyang giyan ko dalas Kelsey kay birthday na sa iyang papa, may na lang pud ba
Kaya may sugdan doon pamilyang.
Bilibidan niya konti. Or siya. Ulay anak. Hindi ko dala-dala na si Kelsey.
dili sugtan sa kuang abi. Luoy kana nas bintong. May ganan bes bintong.
Yo, suot na si Kelsey sa iyang papa.
Kung makita panagsa.
Sige, bitin kayo og dada ko rin. Ang gadula ta, mas giinan pa na yung dada na. Dada, garin, mabasa ka.
Diba?
Ay, mama, wala na tagda.
Na kuan siya siyang papa kaso wala lang yun. Wag dito na lang daw ka park pa. Wala pa kuan na dire. Space.
Where you sleep? Where you sleeping na?
Nakani na kadrete?
Where you sleeping? Wala, dito sa kuan. Dito sleeping, dito sleeping.
Oh, nakani.
Ato ba dito na pizza? Kusra. O dito sa pino si mama o dito dyan. Kapila ko gabalik ko. Reality. Ganito lang ba to? Di man so. Sisira yung kay ko.
Mahadlok siya. Sa ano po ni nila dire?
Walang gabi ni Kelsey yung papa.
Makuan man. Dili agud hatagang chance sa pamilyang abi ba.
Isa.
Go get your slippers na.
Inabot na sa tablet niya. Itaban sa gina ito ma.
Sa burak?
Ha?
Pero nakakatid sila. Aw. So, bira pa sa kanya nakakatid siya. Mura mo na importante. Kuya! Hold me, kuya! Dali! Other side ba, kuya? Hold. Sakit! Hold me, kuya. Hold me. Soda. Si Hold. Hindi ba yung nakakuha na? Ibayad na siya? Uy, nabuti. Wait sa kuya. Ah, kasi. Kuha sa bata. Tulo. Ayun.
Ate, ano, mausap.